Hey guys, so I'm doing something different. I'm making some slime with the slime maker. I guess let's get started. Alright, so all the things we need is here. Like you're probably wondering, what's this? What's this? It's like a fidget toy, like it has flour in it. Well, that's what I think. Yeah. So I thought maybe you could add flour to it. Anyway, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna see you when the slime's ready. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, I added decorations now, and now I'm just gonna start mixing. You'll see when it's mixed up. Hey, guys, I just finished the slime. But then, oh, sorry. I just noticed there's no color in it. I actually don't think this needs color, but anyway, I gotta go. Bye.